Hey loves, so Sophia and I are back and it is the first day of Vlogmas. Woo! Sophia and I decided to do Vlogmas this year. So I'm gonna just turn it down. So today you guys are gonna decorate with us. We're gonna put up our alright, lock your door. We're gonna put up our Christmas tree. I bought like a little Christmas tree from Amazon, so I'm getting ready to show you guys everything I got. We gotta pull it in the room so we can show them.
Comment down below where we should put our Christmas tree up.
I found this little Christmas tree on Amazon. It's like a pinky purple Christmas tree.
And it's that.
It's a skinny tree.
It's a skinny tree.
It's pinky purple. It's like 6 feet, so
6 feet like me.
girl, you ain't 6 feet. You like 4. Found these pink lights on Amazon. I'm gonna link everything down below. Okay, I'm gonna link everything down below so you guys can check it out. I got some pink tinsel, again from Amazon. We got a pink glitter star from Amazon. We got these ornaments, which are super cute. It's a whole bunch of pinky color ornaments. Got this from Amazon for about $40, so I will link this, definitely link that below.
Put these.
We got our nutcrackers.
We
got unicorn nutcrackers, and we got 2 of these pink ones. I found these.
We should actually call them twins.
Okay, twin nutcrackers. I found these at Target. They were $10 a piece. I got these 2, and then I had to go back and get the other pink one. It was like the last one left, so had to definitely snag these up. They are like super cute. Got a wreath for our front door. I got this from Target for $12.
And look, he can open his mouth all by himself. That's so cool, right? Okay, I'm using my hand to do that. Nope.
Then we got
no ma'am.
a couple of ornaments, cutesy
No, we got
ornaments. These are from Target. And then I wanted to show you guys these little mini ones I found at Five Below. They're the same. They were $1.50. And then we got some specialty ornaments from Hallmark. From 2018. So we got Ariel, we got Little Pony, we got Goofy,
Minnie Mouse. Wait,
Minnie Mouse.
Let me see.
Got this little cute snow angel. No, I got these from Target too, but I got them at the dollar spot. So these were $1.
You got this at the dollar spot.
No, we got that from Nana to hang up the wreath. From the dollar spot for $1.
So how are we going? Oh, we're going to. Okay, so I got it. So we're going to put this on top of the door, and then we're going to keep it.
is now like the next day. I've officially finished decorating. We didn't have too much to decorate besides the tree. Sophia is like, she was a little bit exhausted after putting the tree together, so she kind of gave up. I kind of finished up, so I just wanted to come back and show you guys how everything looked, how it turned out, where I moved things. We don't have a lot of space because, again, you know, me and her do share a room, so we don't have a lot of space in here for a lot of things, but what I did make space for looks really cute. It makes it just a little bit more festive in here, so let me show you guys how it looks. So this is the tree. It is lit. I think it is so pretty. It definitely came out super adorable. It screams Sophia and I. I showed you guys all the ornaments and how cute they are. But we have donuts and little rainbows and ice creams and candies and unicorns. We have our mini right here. And we have our little pony over there. He's so cute. So yeah, this is just like a super girly tree for Sophia and I. Then I got my nutcrackers over here. I just put them here because I really don't have a space to put them, but I had to get them because I'm like, when I move, you know, like I need to have these nutcrackers in my house. And I just have a little picture of Sophia's school picture there. And I had a little mini Christmas tree that is now over here. With all of my bath products and stuff and her hair products. So we just put him right here. Normally this is where we put him every year, so we put him here today. Everything on this tree I got from Target last year. I went back this year and I haven't really seen anything like this, so I kind of looked up with this tree and these bowls and the skirt. Everything from this tree was from Target last year in the dollar spot. So yeah, that's it for our Christmas decoration. Hey guys, that is it for our first Vlogmas video. I really hope you all enjoyed. Make sure you stay tuned. I have a really cool video planned next, one that you guys have all been waiting for seeing. Everybody's been asking me about this video. So yeah, if you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And I will see you all in my next video very, very soon. Bye!